So over here you can see that I have this design right here. And if you want to go ahead and share out this particular design to your mobile phone, then what you can simply do is you can click on the download button right here and then click on send to phone button over here just like this. So once you do that, over here you get the QR code, as you can see, just like this. So you can simply scan out the code, and what happens is that a web page opens up just like this, which lets you access your project right here, which is not editable right here. Then you get an option over here to download this particular project right here just like this. So you can download this as a PNG file, or you can share this out over here as well with other people just like this. So you can go around over here and share this out as well. So that is how you can go around and then send your particular project to your phone by using your QR code directly, directly, so that you can access it and download or share it via your mobile phone from Microsoft Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.